Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 28th of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this week has for you. What I see for you is you have the 10 of Wands, the Ace of Cups and the 9 of Pentacles. Your person has the 2 of Wands, the 9 of Swords and the 7 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have the Magician card. So either you or your person is currently in the Magician energy and they want to go ahead and command the 4 elements of this planet to work in their favor. So what I see for you here, Pisces, is you have the 10 of Wands. With that, you could feel a lot of stress, you feel suppression, you feel burdened because you feel that there is a lot that you are doing in this relationship. And this could lead to you going ahead and walking away altogether, because I see the Ace of Cups. Okay, you want to offer a new cup of love to somebody else because this current relationship that you are in is just burning you out. Okay, now this particular cup of love that you want to offer, you will offer only after you have taken the time to self reflect and you have taken care of things. You don't want to carry the baggage of the old relationship with you towards the next relationship. Okay, now what I also see is the 9 of Pentacles. So it definitely shows that you are in a very single energy right now and you want to offer this cup of love to only that person who deserves your love. Your person, on the other hand, shows as the 2 of Wands. With that, they could be juggling either two people, two situations, and that is something that is causing them a lot of stress and sleepless nights. Okay, this person also understands with the 7 of Pentacles that it will take a lot of patience, a lot of time and hard work for them to go ahead and maybe rebuild this relationship if something has happened in the recent past. So they understand that it will not happen overnight. A lot of patience is required to go ahead and do this. Let's take one card here now to see what is the intention of this person for you this week. The intention of the person is the Queen of Pentacles. With that, they definitely want to go ahead and build a very solid relationship with you, because with the Queen of Pentacles, she's very much focused on that one pentacle. If you see, she's looking at that pentacle and she is much more interested in only that particular pentacle. Okay, let's take one more card here. That's the King of Cups. Now the King of Cups has a lot of love. Okay, so this person loves you, but the challenge with the King of Cups energy is that this person is not ready to express, and they can't express in the way that maybe you would want them to express about love. Okay, let's take another card here to see what is the intention of this person for you this week. Alright, that's again the 2 of Pentacles. Okay, so I have the 2 of Wands here and the 2 of Pentacles. This person is definitely juggling. Okay, so it could be another situation for some of you that they have a lot of love for you, but they are currently also involved with the Queen of Pentacles energy. Okay, so with one person it's related to finances and with the other person it's related to love, and that's what is causing a lot of stress to this person. Now let's take one card here, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Peacock Copper. The crystal message is, are you in touch with your magnificence? Find ways to bring more joy into your life. Be aware of your source of your emotional challenges or perceived blocks so that you can release them. Get in touch with your inner radiance and shine your light brightly. Now the message here from Archangel Sandalphon, I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.